So let me finish the remaining problems of type 5. That is problem number 10. Continue. Write the simplest form of cot inverse of 1 divided by under root of x square minus 1 is there, and mod x greater than 1. So first write down given. So what is given? Cot inverse of 1 divided by under root of x square minus 1. This is given. Now already we know one property is there. So in the previous classes we have studied some properties, that is cot inverse 1 by x equal to tan inverse x. One inverse trigonometric functions to another inverse trigonometric functions. So we have studied in previous classes these properties and proved also cot inverse 1 by x equal to tan inverse x by using this property here. So cot inverse 1 divided by under root of x square minus 1. Now this is equal to, by using that property here, so cot inverse 1 by x, consider this value as x, means cot inverse 1 by x. So cot inverse 1 by x is equal to what? Tan inverse x, means its value become tan inverse 1 by x. 1 by x become x by 1, means root x square minus 1 by 1, means root x square minus 1. Now here we have to put, already we know under root of x square minus 1 is there. So under root of x square minus 1 is there, means in place of x put to sec theta, means put x equal to sec theta. Now this implies theta is equal to sec inverse x. Theta is equal to sec inverse x. Now further simplify, tan inverse keep as it is outside. In the inside, under root of, in place of x put its value, that is sec theta, means sec square theta minus 1. Further simplify by using its identity here, as we know sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to what? 1. Now our target is finding the value for under root of sec square theta minus 1, means, so sec square theta keep as it is, and this plus 1 move left hand side, it become minus 1. Now this equals to this minus tan square theta move right hand side, it become plus tan square theta. Now again this square move left hand side, it becomes square root, means under root of sec square theta minus 1 is equal to what? Tan theta. So finally under root of sec square theta minus 1, in place we put tan theta, replace its value here, means tan inverse outside keep as it is, in the inside under root of sec square theta minus 1, in place we replace its value, that is tan theta. So tan theta. Now here tan inverse tan get cancel out, we get remaining value, that is theta. Now finally replace its value, that is theta value is sec inverse x. Current on. So 11 problem. Write the simplest form of tan inverse within bracket 3a square x minus x cube whole divided by a cube minus 3a x square. Now here its condition is a greater than 0, minus a by root 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to a by root 3 is there. Now write it in simplest form. So first take down given data. So what is given here? Tan inverse 3a square x minus x cube upon a cube minus 3a x square. This is given. Now here to convert this to simplest form, so in play here variable x is there, so in place of x we put, that is put x equal to a tan theta. Because of that reason, outside inverse trigonometric function, that is tan, is there. In the inside we have to convert this in tan or its reciprocal. Tan reciprocal means cot. Tan or cot, we have to convert this term. Means in place of x we put a tan theta. Now further simplify. So tan inverse outside keep as it is, 3a square also keep as it is, we replace its value, that is x. So x value is what? A tan theta. Now again minus keep as it is, in place of x put its value, that is a tan theta, means a tan theta whole to the power 3 is there, means whole cube. It's whole divided by a cube keep as it is minus 3a also keep as it is, in place of x put its value, that is a tan theta, means a tan theta square is there, means whole square. Now again here x equal to a tan theta is there, means to find theta value also, when this implies here multiplication a is there, this multiplication a move left hand side, it become divided by a, means finally tan theta is equal to x by a, x by a. Now this implies theta is equal to this tan move right hand side, it become inverse, tan inverse x by a. So this is the value for theta, remember. Now again simplify. Tan inverse outside keep as it is there only, and remove this bracket, 3a square into a into tan theta, we get 3a square into a cube, 3a cube tan theta minus, remove this bracket, means a tan theta whole cube is there, means we get a cube tan cube theta. It's whole divided by a cube keep as it is minus, again remove this bracket, what will get, see here, so a tan theta whole square is there, so remove this bracket, we get a square tan square theta. So a square tan square theta into 3a, we get 3a square tan square theta. Now again simplify. Tan inverse of, take down common in the numerator, which one is common is there, a cube take down common outside, so a cube take down common outside, what's remaining term write down in the bracket, 3 tan theta minus a cube came outside, what's remain, tan cube theta. Now it's whole divided by, here also see here, a square tan theta is there, a square into a cube, here a cube write down, means a cube take down common outside, so what you will get, so 1 minus a cube came outside, 3 tan square theta. Now again simplify, we get tan inverse of a cube get cancel out. So what's remain, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta, its whole divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Now again simplify. Now this is equal to tan inverse of, so what its value, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta, value is tan 3 theta, because tan 3 theta is equal to same, that is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta, its whole divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Now again tan inverse tan get cancel out, we get 3 theta. So 3 keep as it is there only and replace the value for theta here. So already we know theta value is what? Tan inverse x by a. Tan inverse x by a. So this is the simplest form. So next problem 12. Write the simplest form of tan inverse within bracket cos x upon 1 minus sin x is there, and minus pi by 2 less than x less than 3 pi by 2. Now to write it in simplest form, so first write on given tan inverse of cos x upon 1 minus sin x. This is given. Now further simplify tan inverse outside keep as it is. Now to simplify it, to convert this in tan form, means in place of cos x, can I put like this sin 90 minus theta? Because sin 90 minus theta means sin 90 minus x equal to cos x. Now same case, its whole divided by 1 minus, in place of sin x, can I put cos 90 minus x? Because cos 90 minus theta means cos 90 minus x equal to what? Sin x. Now further simplify tan inverse of, see here, sin 90 minus x means consider this as angle here, means consider this as theta. Theta means sin theta. So sin theta, yes theta है बोल के समझ लो यहाँ पे, this value belongs to theta, means sin theta. Sin theta means by using sub multiple angles or half angle formulas, that is sin theta means 2 sin theta by 2. Theta means theta value is 90 minus x by 2 into cos theta by 2 means 90 minus x by 2. Its whole divided by, in the numerator we using half angle formula, means in the denominator also we have to use, means 1 minus cos, consider this value as theta here, ये थीटा है बोल के समझ लो, मीन्स 1 माइनस cos थीटा. सो 1 माइनस cos थीटा इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? 2 sin स्क्वायर थीटा बाय 2 मीन्स 2 sin स्क्वायर थीटा. थीटा वैल्यू इज 90 माइनस x by 2 because sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Again 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. So 1 minus cos theta, consider this is theta, means 1 minus cos theta is equal to what? 2 sin square theta by 2 is there. In place of theta here 90 minus x is there, so that's why here you have to use 90 minus x upon 2 to write down as it is. Now same case in the numerator also, sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 is there. In place of theta here 90 minus x is there, means wherever theta is there put their value 90 minus x, means 2 times of sin 90 minus x by 2 into cos 90 minus x by 2. Now further simplify tan inverse, so 2 get cancelled out, and sin 90 minus x by 2 1, and here sin square 90 minus x by 2 is there, 1 sin 90 minus x by 2 get cancelled out. So what's remaining term you have to write down, that is cos 90 minus x by 2 whole divided by, here one more remaining, that is sin 90 minus x by 2. Now further simplify tan inverse of, see here, cos by sin. So cos by sin means cot, means cot 90 minus x by 2. Now here outside tan inverse is there, in the inside cot is there, so cannot be cancel out. To convert this cot in terms of tan, हमें ये cot को और tan में convert करना ताकि tan inverse tan get cancel out हो जाए. So to convert this cot in terms of tan means again simplify. Tan inverse of tan 90 minus theta means tan 90 minus theta. Theta means here 90 minus x by 2 is there, because tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. See here, consider this value as theta here. यहाँ पे ये complete theta है बोल के समझ लो, means cot theta है. So cot theta is equal to, cot को tan में convert करना बोले तो cot theta is equal to what? tan 90 minus theta is there. So कहाँ पे theta है वहाँ पे उसका value रखना. So theta का value कितना है? 90 minus x by 2 is there. So same case, so in place of theta we putting 90 minus x by 2, means finally cot 90 minus x by 2 become tan 90 minus of 90 minus x by 2. Now further simplify, outside tan inverse keep as it is, in the inside, or better to cancel out direct, tan inverse tan get cancel out. So what's remain here? Remaining term we have to write down, that is 90 minus in the bracket 90 minus x upon 2. So its denominator nothing, means 1 is there. Take it on LCM in the denominator, 2 ones are 2. So divide and multiply each term with LCM 2. 9 2s are 80. 18 means 180 minus 2 to get cancel out we get 90 minus x. Again simplify, 180 minus 90, minus into minus plus x whole divided by 2. Further simplify, 180 minus 90 plus 90 plus x, its whole divided by 2. Now again, now this is equal to 90 plus x, its whole divided by 2 is there, means write down separate. So what we will get? 90 by 2 plus x by 2. Again 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, carry 1 means 2 5s are 10, means 45 plus x by 2. So again replace 45 degree. So it can be written in another form, pi by 4 plus x by 2. So this is the simplest form of given inverse trigonometric function.